Hi folks, welcome back to Raakesh Highway Lab, the Techno Hub channel for placement training. In this session, we are going to discuss about updating records using data loader. So what is update? Update is nothing but updating the same records into my object. That is what about all about update. Updating the records into Salesforce object. We are trying to update the records into Salesforce object. So step one is start. We have to click on update button in the data loader. Update the records stored in my Excel sheet. So like this, the Excel sheet will be the CSV format, right? You have to go to data loader and click on the update. Once it is done, right, then it will go to step two, right? And in step two, you're going to select the object and then you're going to specify the CSV file path. And once it is done, right, then it says that initialization is succeeded and your operation contains number of records. That is, say here it is going to 13 records, right? And then in step three, you're going to choose the field mapping here, right? And in step three, you're going to choose the field to the user for matching and click next, right? Once it is done, you're going to go for a mapping and you're going to map the field from Salesforce object to CSV file headers. Once your mapping is done, then go to the selected step 4, select the directory where your success and error files will be saved. So here you have to specify the directory where the if it is succeeded, right? So those that succeeded log file will be saved. There is an error, the error log file will be saved here. So once for which what you have to do, right? So like you're going to select the directory for which you're going to give the path here. Once it is done, the warning will be given. Right, you have to click on the warning. Then if it is successful, the operation finished dialog box will be shown here. A pop-up window, right, and the operation will be completed. There was 3 successful update. It is not update, it is update and 0 errors. So when you click on view, then what happens? It is going to show the updated data. It's going to show the updated data. Got it? Once it is done, right? So now the data will be updated. We have to test it. In order to testing it again, we have to go to the particular app and then click on the object like student object and click on all records so that it will display all the records like this. So the data is getting updated, right? Now what I'll do, I'll get into demo, right? Now let it get into demo. Now this is the data loader, right? This is the data loader, right? The data loader is getting loaded here. Suppose in case it is not updated. Now let me select this. And now we have got into data loader, right? Now what I'm going to do, which operation I'm going to click on update. Right now I have to log in. In order to log in, I'll click on production environment, right? And then I'll say login now. Right, the moment it is going to ask me the username, right? And the password. The password is right. I'm going to give my password and login. Once it is login, ask us to give allow. So then now the login is successful. Now what I'll do, I'll click on next button. Now in this step, I'm going to specify. I'm going to give my Salesforce object. Say for example, I'm going for the customer, and I have to browse the data. Like where is my data, right? So where is my data here? Customer is my data. Selected. Open it. So now after this, then I'm going to click on next. So initializing Salesforce object. Now see here, initialization succeeded. Your operation will continue to see the records. Now click OK. Now after this, what I have to do mapping. Now create or edit the map. Click onto this button. Now we're going to map from Salesforce field to your CSV file, Excel CSV file header. Right. Now age, I'm going to select age here, drag and drop it. Right, and then amount, I'm going to select, drag and drop it. Right, so amount, I have to drag and drop it here. And city, select and drop it here. First name, again you have to select and drop it here. Right, and then ID, right, select and drop your ID. Then last name. Then finally state. Remaining things I'm not using it here, right? Then you click on OK, right? Now click on next button, right? Once it is done, right, the fourth step, I have to specify the directory path for success log file and error log file to be stored. So once it is done, I'm going to click on finish. Right now, a pop-up window says that so you cannot undone the work once you initiate it. Now I'll click on yes button. So now loading has been updated. Now says the operation has fully completed. There were 15 successful updates here. Now click on view button. I can able to view my CSV viewer here. I can able to see all the 15 records here. Right. Once I click OK, then I close this and click OK button. Right. So I've done with my update. Now let me go and check it. Right. Now let me go and check it your production environment. Again, I'll share it my production environment. I think it is already shared, right? So now what I'll do, I'll go to recruitment app. I'll click on recruitment app. Right. I have to check my object. So I'm going to select customer object. Now click on recently viewed. Click on all. Now see all the 15 records. First 15 records will get all the 15 records will be updated here. Only there is 15 records there. So the same 15 records will get updated here. Got it? So this is the same 15 records got updated here, right? So now let me get into, go back to my slides now. So now go back to my slide. So now all the 15 records has been updated here. So guys, I think you have understood this concept updating a record into my object, right? So please, if you have any queries, you can mail me at info.iwave@gmail.com. And please do subscribe to my channel. Or in case you want to contact, you can contact me at 8555079 168 or 8142000037. Please do subscribe to my channel. Click on subscribe button and click on like button and then click on bell icon. So it is Raakesh iWave Lab at Techno Hub channel for placement training. Please be safe. Stay tuned. Bye bye.